Shooters, welcome back to the Shooters Bay. This is Cooter. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the Ruger American chambered in 9mm. This is the compact. This is the compact Pro model. The difference between the Pro model and the standard model is the Pro model does not have a thumb safety. So that's what we got here today. We're going to take the Ruger American compact and we're going to put it to the side. We're going to take a look at the box. It's a really nice Ruger box. Really heavy duty box. I like it. It's got really nice latches on it with the little Ruger symbol. Okay. Let's go ahead and check the contents of the box. You want to get your standard lock. You want to get your paperwork. You want to get your Ruger sticker. So that's all standard stuff. Instruction manuals, warranties, and things like that. You want to get an Allen key for adjusting your back straps. This is what you use to take off your back strap. This is going to come wrapped around your grip. This is going to come wrapped around your trigger guard. You're going to get a chamber flag. 2 additional back straps for a total of 3. This is your small and your large. It's going to come with these little pieces in there. I guess these will make sure that they stay shaped, they don't get crushed. But I got to tell you, these are pretty hard, and if you keep them in this box, this is a pretty tough box. I don't think they're going to get crushed, but I'll keep them like that, no problem. You're going to get an extension ring for the 17-round mag. You're going to get a flat base plate for the 12-round mag because it has a pinky extension. If you wanted to go flat, you can just go ahead and drop this on. So we're going to keep this out. Here's your 17-rounder right here. Really nice mags. They feel like quality magazines. Let's go ahead and put this extension ring on there. Here you go. That's your extension ring. Let's go ahead and move the box and the contents of the box to the side. Okay. Let's bring the Ruger American back in here. So right away, you'll see that the gun is clear. Let's take a little walk around this Ruger American, shall we, guys? So you got the Ruger branding. You got a standard 1913 rail. This is a 3-slot rail. It's got a somewhat small trigger guard, but it's a compact pistol, so that's okay. I don't know if you'll be able to get a gloved finger in here. You got your takedown lever. You got your ambi slide lock and your ambi mag release. Nice ambi controls. You have your back strap already installed, your medium. You got Ruger branding on the grip. Really nice rear serrations. A really good looking pistol. It has Novak sights installed on it already. That's a nice touch. Novak sights are excellent. These are excellent sights. This will make a nice carry piece. It's the right size. The only problem that I would see some people having with this pistol is its weight. It's a heavy pistol. It really is. It's very substantial in the hand. And it's not even loaded. I mean, I'm feeling the weight on this and it's not even loaded. Just for comparison, I pick up my Walther Creed here. And I'll be honest with you, my Ruger American, which is a compact, feels heavier than the Creed. So this is a heavy pistol. Me, I don't mind it being heavy because I equate this heavy weight with it being a quality piece. But for some of you who like it light, you might want to look elsewhere for a carry pistol. This is actually heavier than a Glock 19 by a nice little bit. But again, this is a beautiful, handsome, well-made, well-constructed pistol. Let's take a look at how it looks with the 12-rounder in there. Nice. Get a nice little grip on it. Nice little grip. Okay, let's check that ejection. It's a little lazy on that one. Let's try it again. There we go. Okay, the ejection is okay. Let's check the 17-rounder. Okay. Okay. Now, to be honest with you guys, this mag release feels funny to me. Maybe you just got to break it in a little bit. Maybe I just got to keep working it, but it just doesn't feel as responsive as a mag release should. But I'm not going to knock it yet. It's just out the box. Probably got to break it in a little bit. All right, so we walked around the we walked around the Ruger American Compact here. We're going to go ahead and field strip it and take a look at the insides. Now, to field strip the Ruger American, just go ahead and lock that slide back. Turn down your takedown lever. Release your slide and just pull it off. No need to pull the trigger. A lot of people are going to like that. That's a nice touch. Let's look at the frame, inside of the frame. Now, it's a little bit more going on in this frame than a lot of other pistols because it has the ambi controls. So you'll see the dual slide locks on the side. So it's just a little bit more going on, not a whole lot. Okay. Capture spring and guide rod. It feels nice and quality. Everything about this gun feels like a quality piece. Doesn't feel cheap at all. Nice barrel. It's a little marking here on the barrel, but it's okay. Inside here, there's no machine marking inside the slide. It looks really good in here. MSRP on this pistol is about $500. You usually catch these for about $3.99. Now, here's the special. Right now on CDNN Sports, you can get a Ruger American Compact, this same pistol right here, on sale for $319. And it's been on sale now for a couple of weeks. You might want to go over to CDNN Sports, check it out. I mean, for $500, just a touch over $500, you can get yourself a Ruger American Compact. It's great for carry. And you can get yourself a nice home defense piece, the Walther Creed, for just a touch over $500. Shipped. So go ahead and check it out. Let's go ahead and put this Ruger American back together. Now, and that's it. It's back together. Okay. So now that we took a look around Ruger American, we field stripped it. You looked inside. I think it's a wonderful pistol. You get a nice little bit of kit for the money, $319. You're going to get a 12-round mag. You're going to get a 17-round mag with an extension. You're going to get an extra base plate, a flat base plate if you want to swap it out. You're going to get 2 extra back straps. You're going to get a nice box, $319. You can't go wrong. So let's go ahead and check the trigger pull on this Ruger American. Right away, you'll see it has the Glock-style trigger dingus, which is your trigger safety. So if you grab the trigger from the side, it won't engage. You have to put your whole finger on it, okay? So let's go ahead and check that trigger pull. A little bit of creak. Nice crisp break. Definitely a nice crisp break. Let's check the reset. There it is. Okay, so that's where you reset at. So let's see how much travel is left to the front. Not too much. I mean, it's not bad. I like the sights. These Novak sights are excellent on this pistol. They are so easy to pick up. This might be my carry piece. I'm going to do a challenge. I'm going to do a 30-day carry challenge with this. I already ordered the holster, and I'm going to let you guys know what I think of it, but I'm going to do a 30-day challenge with this one. I'm going to go ahead and make this my EDC for 30 days just to see how I like it. I'll update you guys with what I think about this as far as it replacing my Springfield XD or my Glock 19. But this is a worthy contender for an everyday carry. If you can get past the weight. It is heavy, for sure. My man Mills, I know he's going to be looking at this and he's concerned about weight. Mills, this is a good pistol, but if you're concerned about weight, you might want to skip this one. So this is the Ruger American Compact, chambered at 9mm. This has been Cooter. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for supporting the channel, guys. Appreciate it.